Good morning, dear. Today we will solve exercise 13, page 89. The question is, write each of the following expressions in the form of a power product of prime numbers. Here is the first expression. It contains prime numbers multiplied by each other. They have power. We have to calculate the power product of prime numbers. We have to keep in the answer prime numbers with their powers. Okay, we don't have to calculate. So how to solve it? First of all, we have to recall that the rule says a times b all to the power n is a to the power n times b to the power n. This means that the power is distributed among a and b, both factors present inside the parentheses. So here we have 2 to the power 3 times 3 power 2 all to the power 2. It means that we should write 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 times 3 squared to the power 2. Okay, here we distributed power 2 among the two factors. Then we have to calculate it how the rule says a to the power m all to the power n is written as a to the power m times n. This means that we have to multiply the power by each other. So 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 is 2 to the power 3 times 2, which is 6, times 3 power 2 to the power 2. We have to write the base, which is a 3, and multiply the powers. 2 times 2 is 4. Here is our final answer. It's a form of power product of prime numbers, which are here in this case 2 and 3. We know that they are prime numbers. Okay, the next one. 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 4 all to the power 3. Again, we have to distribute 3 among the factors. Okay, each factor should be written with power 3. So 2 squared all to the power 3 times 3 to the power 4 all to the power 3. Again, we have to multiply the powers by each other, which means that we will get 2 to the power 2 times 3 is 6, times 3 to the power, we have 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, next one. P equal 2 times 3 power 3 times 5 squared all to the power 3. We have to distribute the power, which is 3, among the factors here inside the parentheses. Each one should be written alone with the power 3. Then we calculate it by multiplying the powers. 2 means 2 to the power 1 all to the power 3. 1 times 3 is a 3, so it's 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 3 times 3, which is 9, times 5 to the power 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, the last one. Q 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 4 times 5 power 3 all to the power 2. Again, we should write each factor alone with the power 2. Okay, so 2 to the power 2 power 2, it means that we have to multiply the powers by each other to get 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 4 times 2, which is 8, times 5 to the power 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay, here we applied the rule to get the final answer, which is the product of prime numbers. Okay, we don't have to calculate, since we have to follow well what they asked us to do. That's the solution of exercise 3. Please resolve it in your homework copybook. I'm ready for your questions. You have to solve as a homework exercise 14 and 15. Okay, take care of yourself. Hope to see you soon. Bye.